I hope that I'm in the shot. If you are not familiar with Nadine West, that's the monthly or bi-weekly, whenever you want, styling service. They are on my bad list right now, the naughty list, because they charged me $400 for things that I sent back. And so they did credit my account. So whatever's in here, I'm keeping and then I'm canceling. I'm just being honest, unless it's really ugly. But it would have to be really, really ugly for me to send it back and then cancel. Anyway, you only pay for shipping. And if you keep anything, they do apply that shipping to your purchase. It is a more budget-friendly subscription, but $400 seemed like a lot to me. They send a lot of items. So, and then everything, you can send it all back in this bag. There is a label in here included as well. You receive everything you need to get it back to them. So that's all taken care of. All right, so I will try everything on and show you at the end of the video. So first off is a skirt. It's like a pencil skirt. It's cute, it's soft, but will it be good on? I don't know if it's my style, but I do like gray. It does have a slit in the back. It is ribbed as well. So there's that. And then we have a yellow. Ooh, like a Henley top. I like it. It's a little, it's wrapped up in the front. I don't know how I love that, but it looks like you can actually undo that. I think this is really cute. It's kind of flouncy. This is actually probably one of the better assortments I've had in a while so far. So good. All right, another yellow. They must really think I love yellow. This is less good. This is bell sleeves. I don't really want bell sleeves. I feel like when you work in your house a lot, like I clean, I cook, bell sleeves get in the way. And you can't really roll them up because they're not tight enough at the end. The material is nice though. I'll try it on. We'll see how it looks at the end. And then I will go over all the prices because I do have a little slip in here that tells you the retail values of each of the items. Green leggings. These look like green jeans, but it's a legging. That's actually really different. And I'm not gonna lie, I don't hate it. We'll see how they look on though. Those are from Zanana. Say hi, Henry. Hi. Hello. All right. He's just being nosy. He can't help himself. He's going to start attacking. All right. All right. So this is a cold shoulder top, and I think I've said a million times I don't like them, but I'm going to say the floral print is really cute. Perfect for spring, and it looks like the sleeves don't look like annoying, like they would annoy me. I actually like this. Of all the cold shoulder, they always look so big, like the shoulders. Hey, homie, no. So we'll see. We'll check it out. All right, hot pink. Okay, we're doing hot pink. That's actually really cute. And then it has a pearl in the back. I actually really like this one. All right. And we have a really big green t-shirt. Hey! A shirt dress, I guess, actually. It's military green. It does have a little like a knot type thing there, ruching, I guess. This is from Magic Fit. It is like super like stretchy and comfy feeling. So I'm actually not hating this. I like the color. I don't like this big giant stuff. It's just not me. I have a cat hair on my nose now and it has this like ruching on the sides to kind of make it more form-fitting, which I guess is kind of good, but I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that one. There's a bunch of stuff in here. Dump it all out. But, so here are these pants. I think I get these in every box from them. These are the Ultimate Tummy Control. They're like thick. They're really thick, slim-legged leggings. And then they have that like inside, like that plushy feet fleece inside. So there's that. There is you can't not get jewelry with this. So this is the Tell Your Tale bracelet. It's actually cute. There's this necklace from something, Fantasy. It says Fantasy on it. There's that. And then there's a pair of earrings. It looks like these are, those are kind of cute. I'm not really loving them, but whatever. All right, final couple items here. All right, another pair of pants. These are cute. These are from Shosho. They have a buckle, like a blingy buckle. Very similar to the other pants, but they have that belt. They're belted. So, and they do have pockets, which is kind of nice. Not gonna lie, I like that. But there's like a big string hanging from them. All right, the final item is this thing. Ugh. This is like very, I don't know, 90s. I think I lived the 90s. I did it. I don't need to go back there. I like the brown though. I like the florals. I just don't love this, like this fit. If you work really hard on keeping yourself fit and healthy, like you don't want to wear clothes that cover it all up. Like I work on this. I want to show it off. Anyway, let's look at the prices of everything. All right. The top golden mustard is $27.99. One of these golden, they're not very good about the descriptions. That's something I don't like too. One of these is $27.99. Top Dreams Floral Pink and Gray. So I'm guessing that's this guy here. That's $30.49. The JC V-neck dolman top, sleeve top, mauve. That would be this guy here. Is $29.99. The Sheila Rose Relaxed Button Top in Camel. Oh, that's the other yellow, this guy. That's the yellow, not camel, in my opinion, but okay. That's $37.99. The hot pink top is $34.99 for that. That's insane. That price is crazy. The bottom Hadley Forest. Oh, the leggings that are green are $37.99. The black bottoms are $27.99. The skinny pants in black, $26.19. I believe those are the one with the buckle. And the bottom midi skirt. Oh, that gray skirt, this guy here is $27.99. You cry. The Kehlani mocha fur dress. Oh, this. Ugh. This is $34.99. This is a dress. Looks like it's going to be short, but okay. This Lucille front knot short sleeve dress in sage. This is actually really cute. It's $34.99. The earrings are $23.99. The necklace is $39.99. And the Lucy bracelet is $17.99. So that's everything. I will insert pictures of me trying everything on right here.